Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin yan is Jesus, the Son of God. To call Jesus the Son of God is to affirm His unique divine identity. He shares the very nature, authority, and mission of the Father. This title shows that Jesus is not merely sent by God, but belongs to God in an eternal relationship of love. His sonship highlights His role in revealing the Father, redeeming sinners, and reigning over all things with perfect righteousness. So ayon po sa Matthew chapter 3 verse 17, and a voice from heaven said, "This is my Son, whom I love. With Him I am well pleased." So ayon po sa ating katuruan, the Father and Son have eternal relationship. So, ibig sabihin, mula pa noon hanggang ngayon, at magpakailanman, meron ng perfect at unbreakable relationship, ang God the Father at God the Son. Hindi ito nagsimula sa creation, eternal na talaga. They have always been together, and they will always be one in love and purpose. So next is the Father loves the Son with perfect love. So ang pagmamahal ng Ama sa anak ay walang kulang at walang mali. Hindi ito nagbabago, hindi nauubos at hindi naka-base sa performance. It is the purest kind of love. Next is the Son loves us with the same measure of love. So ito ang nakaka-bless kung paano minahal ng Father ang Son. Ganon din tayo minahal ni Jesus. Hindi second class love, hindi mas kaunti, same measure, same depth, same quality. Tayo ang recipients ng divine perfect love. So sa applications naman, remain in the love of Christ, manatili, humawak at magpahinga sa pagmamahal ni Jesus. Don't run away, don't depend on feelings, stay rooted in His love, and reflect on the love He displayed on the cross. So balikan lagi sa isip at puso kung paano pinakita ni Jesus ang kanyang pagmamahal by giving His life para iligtas tayo. The cross is the ultimate proof of love. Next is remember that love, nothing else truly matters. So, sa dulo ng lahat, ang pinaka-importante ay ang pagmamahal ng Diyos, hindi achievements, hindi opinions ng tao, hindi worldly success. Love ang foundation ng buhay natin. At ay lamang po, maraming salamat.